Slacklining. I got into it because it's outdoorsy and I like to do things outdoors like rock climbing and hiking and stuff like that, so it's just another thing to do outside. It's pretty much, it looks a lot like straps that you would tie something down with, but it's specifically designed for walking across and for holding a lot of weight. It's pretty much a winch and a strap. You tie it around each end around a tree, and then you use the winch to tighten the slackline up. And a lot of people think that it hurts or harms trees, but in all reality, if you would put anything from a jacket to a towel to a sleeping bag or anything around the tree, between the slackline and the tree, then it protects it from any damage or any harm that it would do to the tree's health. I got started from rock climbers who just got bored and didn't know what to do, so they tied some of their ropes or their straps that they had from rock climbing between a couple trees and started walking on it, so that's how I got started. Mainly, if anything, it's balance training. And anyone can do it, from little kids to older adults. So it just depends on your ability with balance and how good that is. But like anything else, the more you do it, the better you'll get. But there is like professional slackliners who can do flips and tricks and bounce on your stomach or do butt bounces and jump back up with the line or just different things like that. Got this release lever that also locks it in place so the gear doesn't turn, so it doesn't come undone when you're on the line. So you just pull this up, so you unlock it, pull the lever all the way back, pull the locking piece out again, and then just pull it up all the way.